In today's market, data science isn't optional, it's a competitive necessity. Companies leveraging data outperform those relying on intuition alone. Let's explore why data science has become essential for business survival and growth. Netflix saves over $1 billion annually through data science. Their recommendation engine analyzes viewing patterns to suggest content you'll love. This personalization keeps subscribers engaged and reduces churn, a direct impact on the bottom line. Amazon uses machine learning to predict what you'll buy before you know it yourself. They pre-position inventory in warehouses near likely buyers, enabling same-day delivery. Their logistics optimization processes millions of packages with remarkable efficiency. Uber's surge pricing isn't arbitrary. It's sophisticated data science balancing supply and demand in real time. When demand spikes, prices rise to attract more drivers. This dynamic equilibrium maximizes rides completed and revenue generated. Research consistently shows data-driven companies outperform competitors. They make faster decisions with greater accuracy, identify opportunities others miss, and respond to market changes more quickly. Data science transforms information into strategic advantage. Data science doesn't just drive revenue, it cuts costs and reduces risks. Fraud detection saves billions annually. Predictive maintenance prevents expensive equipment failures. Demand forecasting reduces waste. Every department benefits from data-driven optimization. Perhaps most valuable is the customer understanding data science provides. Beyond demographics, you can understand behaviors, preferences, and pain points. This deep knowledge enables personalized experiences that build loyalty and increase lifetime value. Data science delivers competitive advantage through better decisions, cost reduction, and customer understanding. Industry leaders like Netflix, Amazon, and Uber prove its transformative power. The question isn't whether to invest in data science, it's how quickly you can start. Next video, the data science workflow.